Look, additional to my jewelry, I'm a golden girl, as you can see. Golden earrings, golden ring, golden bracelet, golden watch. So it matches all my accessories. Ta-da! Ma'am, will you help me, please? There you go. Thank you, ma'am.
That's very nice.
It looks, I love it.
This one.
Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Secret Santa. Ay, ito. Ito naman yung nakuha niya. Thank you, Secret Santa.